seaside. The family went on holiday. With and Rima went too. The hotel had burned down. Sorry, said the man. They looked at a new hotel. Too expensive, said Mom. They looked at an old hotel. No, thank you, said Dad.
넘겨야지.
Every hotel was full. Sorry, said everyone. They had to go home, but the cars break down.
Broke down.
Our father stopped his truck.
Farmer
Stopped his tractor. Can I help? He said. The farmer had a bus. You can stay there, he said. What a good holiday, said Ruth.